to my vlog, Trucking with Stef. This is March the 18th, and I'm out here in Ohio, northern Ohio, and working my way to Pennsylvania today. Just wanted to kind of get a little bit of an insight for you what's going on the roads out here. A little bit of traveling going on still, not as desolate as I thought it would be. There's definitely trucks on the road trying to get y'all's goods to you. I do see more trucks than cars, but I'm coming into Youngstown here in 16 miles. But just wanted to kind of vlog, and I haven't been reporting anything since all this coronavirus business. I just want to tell y'all something. I'm a true believer in Jesus Christ, and the Bible warned us all that these things would come to pass and to be prepared and not to worry. Therefore, I've got my co-pilot with me, and he has taken very good care of me, and I have zero doubt in my heart, mind, and soul that everything's going to be okay. This is his warning to America and the world to come back to him. He's saying, this is me, this is your world without me in it. You don't want me, there's going to be more of this and worse. You come back to me, my hedge of protection will come back to you. But wake up, America, wake up. This too shall pass, but I do believe that this is a clear warning sign of what's to come, if not worse. And the Lord said to be prepared. So didn't say panic and be afraid, because fear is not of the Lord. If you're not a believer, you might want to start thinking of being one, because he will give you comfort. The comforter will come. I have no fear in my heart. None. I have zero doubt, because to know Jesus, I've got no other reason to fear anything. And there's nothing that's going to keep me from doing my job other than circumstances. And I'll just say this, I'm not immune to having these issues or getting the virus or anything like that. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is, I'm not going to fear it. Because what's impossible for man is possible from the Lord. And that's all I can tell you. Just heed his warning. He's full of love. This is not a punishment. This is you've asked him to get out of your life. You've asked him. People have asked him. Get out of my life. Get out of my schools. Get out of the courts. Get out of everything. So he's getting out. So careful what you ask for and what you wish for, because this is just a mere tip of the iceberg of what he will give you if that's what you want. Don't blame him, blame you. Don't blame him, blame you, because this is what you've asked for. I don't believe you, I don't want you. Y'all turn hate speech into love, and love into hate. So, don't be fooled and don't have your eyes closed. This is just a glimpse of what's to come. Read your Bibles, people. It already tells you, don't be surprised. The war is already won if you're in his world, if you're in his hands, and he will take care of you. I'm not saying that you're not immune to it if you are a believer. Heck, the best of the apostles suffered, but that going through the fire is just 1 minute of pain for his glory and his kingdom, and I'll do whatever it takes with his armor and whatever I have to do to go through whatever fires I'm personally put through. But I'm certainly not going to fear it, because fear is not of the Lord. So I wish you guys a very beautiful and blessed day, and just have some faith, people, and quit taking all the toilet paper. Come on. Quit being greedy. The rest of us just want to shop just to have what we need on a daily basis. We ain't trying to do all that. Stop being senseless, folks. Stop being senseless. The Lord loves you. I love you too. It's Trucking with Stef signing out. I will give you some more update clips as I progress. I'll talk to y'all later.